In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete all profiles along with their cookies, proxies, and associated data from your dashboard. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to approach it carefully as it involves permanently removing data. So, let's get started and make sure we cover every detail clearly to ensure a smooth experience. First, you'll need to navigate to the Profiles tab in your dashboard. This is where all your profiles are stored and easily accessible. Once you're at the Profiles tab, you should see a list showing all the profiles you've created or managed. This tab is essentially your control center for managing these profiles, so it's important that you familiarize yourself with its layout and functionality if you haven't already. Now, the next step is to select all the profiles. Depending on your interface, there may be an option to Select All, which simplifies the process, ensuring you won't have to click each one individually. This selection is crucial because it determines the data you'll be permanently deleting, so double-check that you've selected everything you intend to remove. It's also a good idea to make sure that there aren't any profiles or data that you might want to keep for future reference, as this action cannot be undone. With all your profiles selected, you'll need to find and click the Delete button. It might be prominently displayed at the top or bottom of the page, or perhaps in a menu. This button is your gateway to initiating the deletion process, so locate it carefully. Once you've found the Delete button, go ahead and click it to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking Delete, a prompt or confirmation dialog will typically appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the selected profiles. This confirmation step is crucial because it serves as a fail-safe against accidental deletions. Make sure to read the prompt carefully and understand that once you confirm, the action is irreversible, meaning all profiles, as well as their related cookies, proxies, and any other associated data, will be permanently deleted. When you're absolutely certain that this is what you want, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The outcome of these steps is that all of the profiles you selected, along with their cookies, proxies, and any associated data, will be completely removed from your system. This is a perfect solution if you are looking to clear out your inventory of profiles, or if you're preparing to start fresh with a clean slate. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Remember, while the process is straightforward, it's important to be thorough and cautious when dealing with data deletion, as it's irreversible. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and feel free to explore other features within your dashboard for better management of your profiles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.